Hello my friends and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those of you who may not know me, my name is TheJoshuaHaynes, and every Tuesday I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. Google Maps has launched new features to help users safely get around during the coronavirus pandemic. So today's a quick video talking about what users can expect with this new update. So without further ado, let's get into it. To assist travelers, Google Maps is collecting data from local and national governments to alert users of pertinent information. Alright, so the first feature is called Restriction Alerts. Google Map users will receive driving alerts to notify them of COVID-19 checkpoints when crossing national borders, as well as varying restrictions along their routes. Drivers will see the alert on the direction screen if they are entering an area impacted by certain restrictions, such as a mask mandate or social distancing regulations. The next cool feature is called Testing Alerts. When someone is driving to a medical facility or a coronavirus testing center, they'll receive alerts reminding them of eligibility and facility guidelines. This will be used to avoid being turned away or causing additional strain on the local healthcare system. And finally, Public Transit Alerts. When using Google Maps to navigate public transportation in an area affected by COVID-19 restrictions, travelers will receive alerts from local transit agencies with reminders of regulations like mask requirements or if government mandates are impacting transit services. This will even show you one of my favorite features called Crowdedness Predictions for public transit, using millions of contributions from current riders to show people how crowded bus lines or trains currently are. This will help commuters practice social distancing by avoiding crowded rides and planning their trips around times that aren't as busy. Waze has also announced that they're updating their app to feature more COVID-19 support for their users. So I'm pretty excited about that and looking forward to seeing their updated features. Well, like I said, this is a quick video. That's all I have for you for today. But if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you're always notified whenever I post new content. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next week. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay hopeful. See you later.